Hello, good morning students. Now we just going ahead in exercise 4.4. Okay, and I think that is word problems related to quadratic equation, but we have to solve it by quadratic formula method. Why? Because they are asking that whether given condition is real or not, is it feasible or not. Okay, so just our regular practice, we form equation first of all and then we find discriminant. After finding discriminant only we can know that it is possible or not. Okay, so look at question number 3 of 4.4. Question number 3 of 4.4. What is given there? Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? So here length and breadth are related directly. They are related directly. So if you suppose breadth b or x, suppose breadth x, then obviously length will be 2x. Very direct relation, very simple relation is given. Okay, so let breadth be x, breadth be x, meter. Okay, because whatever given unit is meter, therefore length is 2x meter. Okay, now suppose that is already very easily done. Now what is the another data given? Area is 800 meters square. Area is 800 meters square. Okay, so write down that area is 800 meters square. So can we multiply 2x into x is equal to 800 by, you know, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is the formula. That's fine. Okay. So it is 2x square is equal to 800. Obviously, you can find x square equal to 400. So x equal to 20 very easy. But don't go that way. Here we have to follow quadratic formula method only. Okay. So it is 2x square minus 800 equal to 0. So you can simplify it just like that, x square minus 400 equal to 0. Because I always usually tell it that whenever whole equation is reducible means if it is divisible by any numbers, and you have to divide it first of all for convenient further simplification. Okay. Now you just say a equal to 1, b equal to 0. Why? No extra. c equal to minus 400. Okay. So obviously d equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore d equal to b square means 0 square minus 4 1 minus 400. So is equal to 0 plus 1600 means 1600. D greater than 0. D is greater than 0 means positive. Okay. So now you can write it is possible. Therefore it is possible. Okay. Now it is possible, so solve it by minus b plus minus root b upon 2a. Okay. So I just solving here x. Okay. This was formula of area. Now so far we just suppose breadth or length we got. Area is given, so length into breadth equal to 800 simplified in standard quadratic equation. Middle term is not there, so b is equal to 0 here. discriminant was found and it is positive, so it is possible. Okay, means real roots will be there. Now x equal to minus b plus minus root b upon 2a minus 0 plus minus 1600 upon 2 into 1. Okay, so this is nothing, only plus minus 40 upon 2. Now just two different part, one's plus, one's minus. So plus minus 20 you can also write. Okay, but bread cannot be plus minus 20. Therefore, x equal to 20 or minus 20. Okay, up to common step, right? Once only, then just divide into two branches at last. Now, bread cannot be negative. Obviously, so x equal to 20. Therefore, x equal to 20. Now, what is asked? Length and breadth both. Okay, so therefore, breadth equal to 20. Why? Breadth is x only, and length is 2x, and length is equal to 2x, but x we know. Okay, 40. So equal to 40 means these are our final answer. And if you want to write statement again, then say that length and breadth are 40 meter and 20 meter respectively. Okay, so this is the first word problem, but third sum of 4.4. Very simple it is, but quite way of asking is new. They are asking first of all it is possible or not, then if possible then to find. Okay, otherwise question, supposition, equation is very simple. Okay, so just understand first of question value, then solution also. Okay, okay, now I just remove this and read question number 4. So now it is 4. Is the following situation possible? Again, they are asking that way. If so, determine the present age. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So here also relation is very simple. Sum is 20. So if any first person's age is x, then second person's age will be obviously 20 minus x. Okay, so supposition is very simple, just write it. Suppose present ages are x years and 20 minus 6 years. 2 persons. Present ages of 2 persons or 2 friends are, suppose present ages of 2 friends are x years and 20 minus 6 years. Why? Because total is 20, that's why. So again supposition, no problem, simple it is. Now they are saying that 4 years ago product was 48. Okay, so write out the statement 4 years ago. Product of both means both friends age. Product was how much? 48. So don't multiply x and 20 minus x because they are present ages. We want ages before 4 years. So x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4, and then their product will be 48. Okay. So first of all, x minus 4 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. Why? Because they are talking about ages before 4 years, not now. Okay, that's why. Okay, now just simplify and get equation. Therefore, x minus 4, 16 minus x equal to 48. Okay, 12 minus 4, 16, so 16 minus. Now just multiply with x first of all to both 16x minus x square. Now with minus 4. So minus 64 plus 4x. That you know how to multiply to brackets. Okay, first of all with x, then with minus 4. Okay, so now how much it is here? Minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48. Okay, like terms are combined. That is shifted here only, and minus x square only single term. So it is minus x square plus 20x minus 8 plus 4 square 112. Now mostly we form equation so that first term is always positive. So just opposite all terms. So x square minus 20x plus 112, and here also opposite, but opposite remains 0. So whole equation can be multiplied at both sides by minus 1. Making opposite side means we are multiplying both sides by minus 1. Now, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 20, c equal to 112. Okay? Again, product of both friends before 4 years, so minus 4 done, then present is simplified. 16x minus x square minus 64 minus plus 4x. Okay? Now they are 20x. This is shifted here, so it is becomes minus 112. Now whole equations is multiplied by minus 1. That's why first term become positive. Okay? It is our always expression. Now b square minus 4ac minus 20 square minus 412 400 minus 448 minus 48. D is less than 0. Now we getting discriminant less than 0. So obviously you can say it is not possible. So no question arises to find x, because x we cannot find. Okay? Therefore, no real roots means it is not possible. So given situation is not possible. Given situation is not possible. According to their language, just give their statement them only. Okay? Understood? Sometimes possible, sometimes not. If not, then clearly say. Don't hesitate. Clearly say not possible. Why we find? If you are doing mistake in the forming question, then it is not our fault. Okay? That is your fault. Okay? Bluntly. Okay, same way, number 5 also. Just try to understand what is given. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. Here directly length and breadth are not related. Length and breadth are not directly related. Here no x, we say here no. Given situation is not possible. Okay. So what is answer? That is irrelevant. Number 5. We suppose bread because it is our general practice. We always suppose bread or smaller number, whatever. Okay. So let bread be x meter. But length and breadth are not directly related. So either you have to use one data of perimeter, second of area, any one. Okay. So suppose I just using area, any one, it is up to you. Area is how much? 400 meter square. So can I say length into breadth equal to 400. Now there is a relation between length and breadth, but in a statement direct relation is not given, that double, few more, few less, that type of relation is not given. Okay, so just use area. You can use perimeter also, no problem. So length into x, while we suppose that x is equal to 400. So now we got length equal to 400 upon x meter. So that is second suppose, using any one data. Now use second data to get equation. It is our general practice in this lesson. Any one data or statement is used to suppose another parameter, second parameter, and second data or second statement is used to form equation. Any one first, then later, anyway. Now they are telling that perimeter is how much? 80 meter. So obviously its formula is to length plus breadth equal to 80. Why? This is the formula of perimeter. 2 length plus 2 times length plus breadth. Now we have expression of length also, breadth also. Just put both of them. 400 upon x plus x equal to 80. Sit it there. So 400 upon x plus x upon 1 equal to 40. Y divided by 2. Now cross multiply x. 400 plus x square equal to 40. 400 plus x square equal to 40x. Now just shift it here. So x square minus 40x, I am arranging also it, and plus 400, sorry, minus 40x is equal to 0. Okay. Now you have to solve further. First of all, find D. After finding D, say that it is possible or not. If possible, then find out x. X is for breadth. Then find length and breadth both. Okay. Obviously, it will be possible. This is perfect square triangle. Okay. So obviously, it will be 20 and minus 20. So you will take 20. 20 only answer, not minus 20. Okay. Say that breadth never be negative. So breadth will be 20 and length will be also 20, because 400 divided by 20 means it will be square. But no problem, square is one type of rectangle, square is a subtype of rectangle. Okay, they are telling rectangle, but after all it represented as a square. That is not matter, not need to write square, just I am telling extra. Okay, so now you have to solve by quadratic formula method only. After finding D, give first answer if it is possible. Then go ahead and give final answer. Okay, so in 2 steps you have to solve after that. Okay. Now question number 7 of 4.3. 7 of 4.3. Just read it twice. 7th one of 4.3. That was left only there. Difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Well, two numbers are there. Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. You know, we always supposing smaller number. here also. Okay, two information given. First of all, difference of square is given, and then relation is given. Square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. That is, we think later on. First of all, suppose smaller number. Okay, so it is question number 7 of 4.3. Okay, so let smaller number be x. Now they are given relation. Square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So write down that statement. Square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Okay, I just write it from textbook in small letter, no problem. You just read that. So can I say smaller number is supposed? Square of smaller number. Square of smaller number is equal to 8 times multiply the larger number. Larger number means larger number, that we have to find. Okay, in terms of x. सेकंड सपोजिशन, हमें दूसरा सपोजिशन के लिए तो ये मेहनत कर रहे हैं ना, एक स्टेटमेंट लेके, बस वही है. Therefore, x square upon 8 is equal to larger number. Okay, so we got smaller number x, larger number x square by using one data out of it. Now, what is the another data? Difference of squares is 180. So write down difference of their squares is 180. तो दोनों का डिफरेंस का स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस 180, और ऑब्वियसली पहले वाला इसको ही देना पड़ेगा ना. डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या? बिगर माइनस स्मॉल. सो लार्जर को पहले लो और इसका स्क्वायर भी करो, ऐसी बात है. दोनों का स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस ये है. सो एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 8x. ओके, डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. डिफरेंस ऑफ स्क्वायर्स. सो इट इज x4 अपॉन 64 माइनस x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. टेक एलसीएम हियर. 64, so x4 minus 64x square is equal to 180. So x4 minus 64x square is equal to 64 into 18. So 640, 8 4 are 32, 3, 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51. Okay, 8 4 are 32, 3, 8 6 are 48 plus 3. So it is 2 5 1 1. So 1 1 5 2 0 1 extra. So it will be x4 minus 64x square minus 11520 equal to 0. Okay, मैंने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ओके, अभी आप थोड़ा समझ लो, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन तो है ना. दिस इज नॉट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, जस्ट लुक देयर. ओके, तो व्हाट टू डू? आप कर सकते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक, कोई नया वेरिएबल लिखो. सपोज मैं x की जगह y रखूं, y, तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा. मैं यहां से स्टार्ट करता हूं. ओके, मैं ये थोड़ा हटा देता हूं. Difference of their square. So let x square equal to y. क्यों मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूं? देखो, अगर मैं x square equal to y करूं तो ये y square बन जाएगा और ये y बन जाएगा. तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन तो बनेगा. तो ऐसा सपोजिशन करो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. सो फर्स्ट वन बिकम्स y square by x square square. x square square is x raised to 4 minus 64y minus 11520 equal to 0. अभी आप इतना बड़ा नंबर है, इसका डिफरेंस दो फैक्टर ऐसे निकालो जिसका डिफरेंस ये होना चाहिए, प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। तो ऐसे केस में अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है तो क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला मेथड कर सकते हैं। वहां एक प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, हाउ टू टेक स्क्वायर, ओके, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, इसके लिए मैं अभी सिखाने वाला हूं ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड्स। ओके, तो हम यही करते हैं, इसमें टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते हैं। तो देखो d इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, d स्क्वायर माइनस 64 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 1 माइनस 1 1 5 0। ओके, सो 64 का स्क्वायर 64 into 64, 6 4 are 24, 2 6 is 36, 38, 4 4 are 16, 1 6 4 are 24, 25 is 6 9 4 0 9 6 plus 1 1 5 to 0 into 4, 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 20, 2 4 1 is 4 plus 6 and 4, 4 6 0 8 0, 4 0 9 6, 6 9 plus 8 7 7 8, okay, 5, so it is 50176, क्योंकि इसका रूट की जरूरत पड़ेगी ना आपका बेटा, मैं एक बार वेरीफाई कर लेता हूँ। 6 4 24 2 6 6 30 38 सही है, 4 4 16 1 25 6 9 15 ओके। नाउ दिस इज 1 1 5 to 0, so 4 2 is 8 22 6 ओके। नाउ 6 17 राइट, इसका रूट निकालना पड़ेगा ना, तो पहले से निकाल के रखो, क्योंकि अंदर जरूरत तो पड़ेगी, तो पहले से निकाल के तैयार रखते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन यही प्रॉब्लम है कैसे निकालना। तो देखो मैं आपको आइडिया देता हूं, 10 का स्क्वायर आपको पता है 100, 20 का आपको पता है 900, 30 का आपको पता है, दिस इज 400, दिस इज 900, ऐसे आपको पता है। लेकिन ये तो क्वाइट बिगर नंबर है, 50,000 समथिंग है, तो सीधा 100 पर जंप लगा दो, कितना होगा 10,000, वो तो पता है ना, डबल से क्यूब है तो 3 टाइम्स है। फिर भी हम काफी पीछे, तो सीधा 200 पर जाओ, 200 पर लगा 40,000, 4 के पीछे 4 ओके, 300 का लगा, ओके, सो इट विल बी 90,000, लेकिन ये ज्यादा हो गया। तो हमें पता हो गया कि ये इन बिटवीन कहीं पर होना चाहिए, 21 से लेकर 29, 21 से आपको 250 का भी पता है, अगर आपको 250 का पता है तो बीच में भी कर सकते हो, 250 का आपको पता है 6 to 5 और डबल 0, तो ये दोनों के बीच में है, किसके बीच में है 200 और 250 के बीच में, ओके। तो क्या हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा। तो यहां आपको 5016176 ऐसा है, तो भी आपके लिए सॉरी, यहां 200 के बाद मुझे ऐसे आगे रखना 21 स्क्वायर, क्योंकि वरना कितने सारे नंबर, तो 441 बाद में एक एक आगे रखो, 2 2 स्क्वायर 0, सो 484, ये आपको स्क्वायर पता होना चाहिए, 10 10 के गेप में आगे बढ़ना है, इतना सारा मैंने जंप लगाया ऐसे, 2 3 वो शायद 5 to 9 डबल 0 होगा। अभी देखो इन बिटवीन आ गया, तो 220 और 230 के बीच में है, थोड़ा आपको प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है, पहले सीधा जंप लगा कि मैं यहाँ 200 के 5 पढ़ गया, बाद में 10 करना पड़ेगा। तो अभी 221 से लेकर 229 का कोई भी आ सकता है, लेकिन लास्ट डिजिट 6 है, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर तो होगा ही, क्योंकि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, रूट निकलेगा नहीं सर, लास्ट डिजिट 6 है, कब पॉसिबल है, 4 4 जा 16, 6 6 जा 36, तो इसमें से या तो 224 होगा या 226 होगा, दोनों में से एक ही होगा, अंडरस्टैंड दैट। क्यों, इन बिटवीन इतने सारे नंबर है, किसकी ट्राई करेंगे, लेकिन लास्ट डिजिट देखो, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर तो है ही, तो होगा ही इसका, तो 4 4 जा 16, 6 6 जा 36 आता है, तो या 224 या 226 दोनों में से एक होगा, ओके। तो आप ट्राई करो, 224 into 224 कर दो थोड़ा फास्ट, तो देखो 2 2 4 4 4 8 0 0 4 4 8 0 0 4 4 जा 16 4 2 जा 8 9 4 2 जा 8 6 9 plus 8 17 1 8 plus 9 plus 4 13 13 plus 8 21 2 4 plus 8 2 25 आगे अगर नहीं आया होता तो 2 to 6 होता, तो 2 to 6 होता तो भी तो रूट भी हमने अलग से यहाँ फाइंड कर दिया। इसकी मेथड है, मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगा। ये लीगल मेथड है, ये तो ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड से हम पहले अप्रोक्सीमेट फाइंड किया और बाद में लास्ट यूनिट के हिसाब में पकड़ लिया ये। बस अभी तो आप कर सकते हैं कि x इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट टी अपॉन 2a। सो माइनस बी मतलब क्या होगा, 64 हो जाएगा, 64 क्योंकि माइनस माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस 2 to 4 अपॉन 2a, 2a मतलब 2 1 जा 2। तो बस एक बार प्लस ले लो एक बार माइनस ले लो, तो 64 प्लस 224/2 और 64 माइनस 224/2, तो ये कितना बनेगा 8 8 2 मतलब 144 और यहां तो माइनस में आएगा 4 minus 4 0 and 22 minus 6 150/2 ओके 20 minus 6 60 160/2 minus 8। लेकिन ये तो y स्क्वायर का आंसर है, सॉरी ये y का आंसर है, मतलब x स्क्वायर का आंसर है। y थोड़ा हमारा मेन वेरिएबल है, तो अभी y की जगह फिर से आपको लिखना पड़ेगा x स्क्वायर और x फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। तो नेगेटिव नंबर तो हम नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि इसका तो रूट ही पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो नेगेटिव नंबर को तो नहीं ले पाओ, तो सीधा ये वैल्यू करता हूं मैं, यहां से यहां गया 2 नंबर फाइंड किया, लेकिन y मिला, y इक्वल टू 144 यहां आप निकले कर सकते हो, क्यों नहीं है माइनस से, सो y इज एक्चुअली x स्क्वायर। सो अगेन x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर, but again take x equal to plus 12. So you got smaller number be 12 and greater number भी आपको मिलेगा smaller number 12, greater or larger number, how much it is 12 into 12 upon 8. Okay, so 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 6s are 8, so 12 meter, sorry not meter, number 12 80. So again first division डायरेक्ट रिलेशन नहीं था, एक रिलेशन का यूज किया, स्मॉलर नंबर हम मोस्टली सपोज करते हैं इसके हिसाब से आगे बढ़े, लार्जर नंबर नहीं, इसमें स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस दिया था तो इसके हिसाब से आगे बढ़े, लेकिन लास्ट में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं मिला, तो एक नया तरीका है आज हम पहली बार सीख रहे हैं। तो x² = y सपोज करके आगे बढ़े। मैंने यहाँ बड़ा नंबर देख के